Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the chart. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just for fun. Now let's start with natural gas. This is natural gas weekly chart on natural gas. We had this head and shoulder pattern. My price target hasn't been hit yet, so I think we still have a way to go to the downside. We are above the 50 EMA on the weekly, so I'm really curious what will happen today, how this weekly candle closes. But even if we close above, it doesn't mean that next week the weekly candle cannot close below it. Let's have a quick look at the daily chart. And when I look at the daily chart, here we have this head and shoulder pattern, and of course when we play this pattern, we want to place a big short position right here at the neckline, and then later on we could add small short positions, because anytime we can have upward movement like here and also lately. Now we have yesterday's daily candle looks very promising for the bears, telling me that we are continuing this downward trend. So I expect natural gas today to go to the downside. Let me just put in the 200-day EMA. Let me find a color for that, because it's really interesting. Let me change the color, maybe this color, so can hardly be seen. Let me try yellow. But okay, yellow is good. Okay, so we have this 200 EMA, and we are below it. We came below it, we closed below it, the daily candle. So here again, it was possible to place a big short position if we trust this head and shoulder formation, because here we can put a stop loss above this 200 EMA, and we hope, or we say that we will continue down this downward trend to the price target, which is even below $6 level. So I think today we will have a red candle. I would not be surprised to have a big red candle today. Let's go over to oil and have a quick look at oil. WTI, here we go. This is the daily chart on oil, and exactly as I predicted, we hit $88 level. Well, out of the formation that we had, this was easy to see and predict. 88, yeah, exactly, you can see we hated that. We cannot stay above the 50-day EMA at least, so it seems that we are coming back below it. If we close below it, then probably we will go down to the 20-day EMA, 85-ish levels. Can this be the trend reversal? Like we need to develop a higher low. Do we have a higher high? No, not really. We don't have a higher high, so we need to go higher. And with oil, I also had a price target, and this price target hasn't been hit yet. We almost got there, but we are not yet there. So I expect oil to continue this downward trend. We've got this M pattern. Out of this M pattern, even if I'm conservative, the price target is at least around 72. This weekly candle, green weekly candle is very promising, but we haven't come up to the red 50 EMA. Of course, the weekly is still bullish, so no surprise we had this big green candle. The question is, are we going to continue this bull run, or the bear run that we are in. We've been in for quite some time. That's all for now. See you next time.